Tennis elbow stole 6 months of my life. No golf, no gardening, not even opening a jar. Sound familiar? Most people make the same mistake. They buy the wrong elbow brace and stay in pain far longer than they should. At homehealthcareshop.com, we've helped thousands of active seniors find real relief, not gimmicks. We studied reviews from over 1,000 elbow braces sold, and what we found shocked us. The mid-range braces often outperform expensive ones. In the next 10 minutes, you'll discover the 6 elbow braces our customers swear by, the one mistake that keeps most people in pain, and the brace that truly fits your condition. Whether it's arthritis, tennis elbow, or post-surgery recovery, all 6 are in the description below. Let's dive in. First up, the 3M Futuro Adjustable Elbow Brace. This one is a fantastic all-rounder if you're looking for versatile support for mild to moderate elbow issues. It's designed for people who need reliable support but also want to control the compression level themselves. This brace is great for general elbow pain, whether it's from tendinitis, the early stages of arthritis, or just overdoing it a bit. At homehealthcareshop.com, this is our #1 bestseller for first-time buyers because it's forgiving. You can adjust it to your comfort level. The brace is made of a soft material that provides soothing warmth, which really helps with stiffness. But it's flexible enough that you still have your full range of motion. A common question is whether it's bulky, and the answer is not really. The adjustable straps let you apply targeted compression right where you need it, giving you a sense of security as you move without being too restrictive. If you want a versatile, comfortable, and reliable brace for everyday aches, this is a fantastic choice. Next, we have the Aircast Pneumatic Armband. This one looks a bit different, but it's a powerhouse for that very specific, sharp pain you get from tennis elbow or golfer's elbow. Instead of wrapping the whole joint, it focuses pressure right where you need it. This armband is specifically for tendinitis, where it hurts to grip, lift, or twist your wrist. The secret is a little pre-inflated air cell inside the band. You place it on your forearm just below the sorest spot, and when you tighten the strap, it puts focused, cushioned pressure right on the muscle. This takes the strain off that painful tendon, so you can grip things without that sharp pain. Here's what one of our actual customers said, and I'm reading this word for word from their review. Magical armband. I have been suffering from tennis elbow since a long time and was unable to play my game until one day I found this magical armband. It is so easy to wear and comfortable. Best part being that it helped me with the pain. That word, magical, really stuck with me, and it shows you the kind of relief people experience when they find the right brace for their specific condition. One thing people often ask is if it restricts your movement. Good news, it doesn't at all. Your elbow is totally free, which is why it's perfect for getting back to sports like pickleball or golf. This is consistently one of our top-rated products at homehealthcareshop.com, with customers reporting they can finally get back to the activities they love. If you're tired of that sharp, specific pain keeping you off the court or course, this is a proven choice. Now, let's talk about the Bandit Armband. This is another classic that's highly recommended for tennis and golfer's elbow, but it has a unique dual-plate design that a lot of people, and even doctors, swear by. The Bandit is best for reducing pain during activities that involve gripping, like holding a racket, a hammer, or even a heavy pan. Instead of one pressure point, it has 2 cushion plates for the top and bottom of your forearm. This gives you balanced support and absorbs the stress and vibrations before they can get to your sore elbow, which lets the tendon rest and heal. And here's real feedback from a verified customer at homehealthcareshop.com. Great prices, good website, works the best for my tendinitis. The website makes it easy to go over placing the order, which is what I like. It also offered me a discount of 5%. This testimonial highlights 2 important things. The Bandit actually works for tendinitis pain, And our customers appreciate the easy ordering process and competitive pricing we offer at homehealthcareshopping.com. One tip is that it can feel a bit stiff at first, but it gets comfortable pretty quickly with wear. If you've tried simpler straps without much luck, the targeted dual-plate design of the Bandit is definitely worth considering, and our real customer reviews back it up. All right, we're halfway through our list, and you've just heard from real customers who found relief with these braces. Actual, verified reviews. If you're finding this honest information helpful, do us a quick favor and hit that like button below. And if you want to see more content like this to help you stay active and healthy, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get back to the next brace on our list. This one's perfect for all-day wear. Moving on to number 4, we have a different kind of support altogether, the OrthoSleeve ES3 Compression Elbow Sleeve. If you're dealing with more generalized, all-over elbow pain from something like arthritis or just need steady support, a good compression sleeve like this is an outstanding choice. The ES3 is best for providing all-day compression to manage pain and swelling. Unlike straps you only wear during activity, this sleeve is comfortable enough to wear for extended periods, even under your clothes. It's not just a tight tube. It's designed with 3 different compression zones to help boost circulation. Better circulation is key for healing, as it can reduce swelling and soothe those aches. A common concern with sleeves is that they'll slip down or get bunched up. This one has a shape-to-fit design, so it stays put as you move. The fabric is also moisture-wicking to keep you dry. Our customers with arthritis at homehealthcareshopping.com consistently rate this 5 stars because they can wear it all day under their clothes without anyone noticing. Unlike bulky straps, this stays put and keeps working while you go about your day. If you find regular braces with straps too bulky, this sleek, simple sleeve is a solid choice for managing chronic pain. Next up, the Bauerfeind EpiTrain. This one is a premium, German-engineered option that's often called the jack-of-all-trades for elbow pain. It's a bit of an investment, but if you've been dealing with stubborn pain from multiple issues, it's in a class of its own. The EpiTrain is great for a whole range of issues, from tennis elbow to arthritis and post-op recovery. It works by combining a comfortable, breathable compression sleeve with these special gel pads on the inside and outside of your elbow. As you move your arm, these pads give a gentle, continuous massage right where it hurts. It's like getting compression, stability, and a physical therapy session all in one. You can really set it and forget it. If you're looking for a top-tier, long-term solution that handles almost everything, this one's a winner. Last but not least, at number 6, we have the neoprene golf and tennis elbow support. This type of brace is a classic, reliable, and often more affordable choice that focuses on warmth and compression. This style of support is perfect if you experience elbow pain and stiffness during activities and find that a little warmth really helps. The main thing here is the neoprene material, which is great at holding in your body heat. That warmth keeps the joint and muscles loose and helps with blood flow. Many of these also have an integrated foam pad and an adjustable strap, so it provides targeted pressure that helps with tendinitis too. One question people have is when to wear it. It's generally best to wear it during your activity, since that's when the warmth and support are needed most. If you want a straightforward, proven design that delivers reliable relief when you need it, this is a fantastic option. So there you have it. 6 of the best elbow braces backed by real customer experiences. Here's our quick decision guide. If you need versatile, everyday support, grab the 3M Futuro. If you have that sharp tennis elbow pain, our customers call the Aircast magical, and the Bandit gets rave reviews for tendinitis. If all-day comfort and arthritis relief are your main concerns, the OrthoSleeve ES3 is your best value. And if you want the absolute best regardless of price, the EpiTrain is unmatched. Here's what to do right now. Head to homehealthcareshop.com. All 6 braces are linked in the description. We've helped thousands of active seniors find pain relief, with over 5,000 plus 5-star reviews and 100% guaranteed. Click the link in the description before you forget. Your pain-free life is one click away. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more honest senior health solutions, and drop a comment telling us which brace you're going to try. Stay active, stay strong, and we'll see you in the next one.